This video will show you how to replace the Nano SIM card tray in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad T14 Gen 6 and ThinkPad P14s Gen 6 AMD. You will need a SIM card tray eject pin and 5 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard, flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Insert a SIM release tool or paperclip into the hole and press to release the Nano SIM card tray. Remove the tray from the slot. Insert the Nano SIM card tray into the slot and press to secure. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.